Yeah. Enough now. Enough. Uy. Don't do that. Go to your garden now. I'll video you. Okay. TV is there. What do you say to your viewers? This is your garden? So what the plants are here? No. What's that? What's that? Where's the guava? Say hi Nana, this is my garden. Oh, you are watering your garden? Only few. There. Do you like that? Oh?
I don't know. I think it's
put it
too
in.
heavy.
Put in my hands.
Okay.
And I will do like that. Okay. Uy! It's dead. It's over floating. It's dead. Oh.
Man, that's too much.
See, like that.
Okay.
Oh, you tour your garden first. Ah? Oh, petchay. Yung ano, iba is yung ano. Marami doon, no? Oh, who's throw garbage here? They're throwing it here. What is this?
They must look
Oh,
faster.
that's the...
Dapat tanggalin ang bato.
Ha?
Tanggalin ang bato.
Kinural ko ng bato eh.
Panganay mo ito? Ilan? Dalawa?
Isa pa.
Ilang taon na yan?
How old are you, Dave daw? Sabi Lolo. 6 daw, 6.
What grade are you now? Grade 1? Oh.
The petchay of Dave is growing now.
Ano yung mustasa?
Mustasa at saka petchay. Di ko na alam kung petchay or mustasa ba yan. So yung binigay ni Kuya Narding, petchay saka mustasa, nilagay ko na dyan, oh. Marami pa nga dyan. Iwan ko kung petchay ba to or mustasa to. Hmm? Kasi ano, pinaghalo ko lang eh. Nandoon na marami pa. Di ko pa sa nailipat. Wala nang pagtaniman eh. Ha? Ito oregano, oh, mataba na. Talbos. Yung malunggay ko, marami na dito, oh. Nag-start na, oh. To hold the video, I will water the plants.
Hey,
Ang kulay na ngayon.
This is your papaya, oh. Uy, it's not there. Why you throw it here? Don't throw garbage here, ma'am. Nagmay pa ka na, hindi pa na pwede ko ako. Ha? 1 week pa, pwede na yan.
Natatlong araw na yun. Pwede na. Dahil lumaki yung...
Petchay.
Yan.
Pangit na din kung malaki na yung dahon.
Oo.
Kainin.
Meron kaya.
Four minutes? My vlog has lots of views already. It's 100 already for 1 hour. How about your vlog? You have to talk. Yeah, guys, this is my garden. I'm watering my plants. Okay? I have a papaya here. I have oregano. I have the petchay like that. No, go there. Faster. It's now go there. Enough now. It's overflowing now. David is there. I'm vlogging. Yeah. So you have lemongrass. Your lemongrass is now. David, hold the video. I will water. Video na lang ang water.
I'm wet. But it's too heavy. What are you doing?
Okay, it's enough now.
Daddy, why are you doing like this?
So I want to see your viewers that you are watering your plants. This is a guava. He is now going so strong. This is the papaya. This is petchay. This is the oregano. Lemongrass. Pastor Dave, your plant is thirsty now. Dave, you are playing again, Pastor. So, goodbye now to your viewers.
Okay, bye. See you next time.
Did you see my plants, vegetables?
Yeah.